Welcome to Stone Hands, to the Hands of Stone. How to become a great communicator, a great marketer. It's all about relationships and relations. How we relate to our surroundings, to the people around us. We are social beings. We belong to clans. I will do a little example. When we have 2 people in a room, 4 people in a room, 5 people in a room, and we know each other. We are one group. And when we have 8 people in a room, we are still one group. But when we have 9 people in a room, then the people separate into 2 groups or even 3. So human family and the clan consists of small groups that themselves make a larger whole. Maybe you can visualize a beehive, how all the workers are working together, all the bees, for the greater goal, but they are separated in little octograms, in their little holes. They're moving around, buzzing around all day, but they have one goal in mind of holding the whole vision, the health of the mother. And we humans are that as well, but now in digital age, the number one cause of death of young males is suicide, because they are separated behind their computer screens, behind their smartphones, and doing silly stuff on internet. I'm not saying internet is bad, because I'm sharing my knowledge with you through YouTube, through video. But I come outside. I spend my time outside, and most of my time I spend socializing with people. So marketing is all about socializing. And as I made the example about the beehive, so we must find the individuals who are living their lives. Maybe they are searching for something. They have a problem in their life, and we have a solution for it. For example, my solution or my problem that I am solving and I'm marketing to people is that I want people to be able to fully express themselves, their emotions, their feelings, and be able to communicate their real purpose. So I have a quite a broad audience, so it's easy for me to find clients whose problems I am solving. But some people can be really specific. Maybe someone is a mechanic for Lamborghinis, so he has to communicate with Lamborghini owners. Or maybe he can make his audience all the supercar owners, and they can recommend him for onwards because he's doing something really special. And when you have a supercar, a Ferrari, probably you know somebody with a Lamborghini, you see. So, as we are communicating the message to individuals, we are actually communicating the greater problem, how to keep the beehive together, that we all could serve the mother, yes, the Mother Earth, indeed. So, for example, nowadays, all those green movements, the green turnover, the green revolution, that we are seeing more electrical vehicles and wind turbines, solar energy. We are trying to shift our consciousness, the consciousness of humanity, and there are small particles of problem solvers for offering their solutions that we could grow together in a one harmonious way. So when we understand the larger picture, it becomes into small steps from where we can begin to communicate the purpose and the problem and the solution. For purpose, we must ask questions from potential clients. The best marketers are obsessing about the problems of their clients. They're crazy about them, offering them solutions, but first of all, asking them questions. When we get to know what's wrong with them or what they want to change in their lives, we can offer a step-by-step plan how they can achieve the greatness, how they can come closer to their real full being. And when we have made an offer that's not enough, then a person must know that we have a solution, that we can change, transform their lives forever. And communication is all about finding people. You can do it many ways. As some people have praised that Facebook has been their greatest tool, and me too. Facebook has changed my life. It has given me a business, a sense of purpose, because through Facebook I am able to communicate my message in my own native language to the people that I know, and even more broader audiences. So I'm able to send messages to strangers and make offers them and ask, how can I help to transform their lives? But same as I go on a street and I see some people doing something, I'm training myself every day. I go ask some random questions. Like today I was in a hardware store and I went in from the wrong door in Finland, and I started asking like, hey, where can I have this product? We have this order. And then I was juggling through all the warehouse because I was referred to a next person, and I was always like, hey, how are you? I'm trying to find this product. So I'm just training myself to communicate even better, that people with whom I am communicating, they feel inspired. My goal is just not to communicate, that when I talk to someone, that they are just like, okay, he was talking to me, okay, so what? But I try to communicate in a way that people are able to remember me. So when they see my advertisement, they see my offer, or when they remember that I have something that I can help them with, then they can contact me. And one important thing when you're marketing something, you need a counter offer. That means that when you have something that you're trying to sell or offer, and person says no, maybe you can make an offer that helps them for free and actually takes from them. For example, when somebody tells me no, that they do not want to have my mentorship or voice coaching, I make an offer to them, but I can help for free to market your business or your cause or your organization for free. I do not ask anything. And people are mesmerized. They do not understand. But quite often I've seen that it changes their lives, that they become more open again. And sometimes they have bought my offer because I was helping them with my sincere wishes. So always focus on giving and helping. And when you are taking, it means you are taking for free. You are not taking their money, but you are taking their attention and channeling it for free. So it could grow, that their attention towards something can bring them back a lot of resources, goods, or opportunities. So that's marketing in the simplest form, that we are serving the whole mother bee as a collective humankind. And we are doing it in the small groups, up to 8 people. We are creating those groups and we are connecting them, wiring them into the great system and offering them solutions and helping to shape their offers towards a better future. So let's make this world a better place together. Subscribe, and if you want to find 8 powerful exercises for voice, then check in description the video. Goodbye.